Hello everybody, welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I'm hoping that I'm going to manage to do this video today without getting drowned by that big black cloud. I've just chased the clouds, as it were, from Cleveland, because I saw yesterday that the Spitfire had arrived on, are you ready? Gynn Roundabout. I call it by its proper name today. So this is the roundabout. I saw last week when I went into Blackpool that the gardeners had been, and they'd been cutting the bushes down, which you can see look a lot better, a lot tidier. The roundabout's being cleaned up, and this is the Spitfire that's going to be displayed as part of the illuminations. So this is Gynn Roundabout. Did you like that? That's Jubilee Gardens. That's the Emergency Services Memorial. So we're going to walk round here, and I'll just show you the display. So I believe it's going to be lit up. Obviously the illuminations don't go on until the 4th of September, the next Friday. So we won't see what it's going to look like until it is actually lit up. But that is a full-size replica Spitfire called Progress 2. And that's in honour of all the people that flew these marvellous machines and did what they did for us during the war. If you've seen our video from earlier this week, we've been to St Anne's recently as well, and done a film of the Spitfire Memorial that flies over Fairhaven Lake. So you can watch that. I'll pop the link for that one in the film below. So I'm just going to walk down here and get a little bit further away from the traffic. So this is, you see the pub there, Gynn. That's 3 times I've said it. It's going to be a popular attraction. There's another guy here taking photographs. So this is the other side of the roundabout. Before we've finished, I'll pop round to the other side as well, to the seaward side, and then you can see it from the front. As you can tell, it's a very busy spot here, and every time I've pressed record, I've either got cars popping the horns or lorries flying past or something. So there's going to be a Spitfire Memorial flight this weekend, and I think it's Saturday morning at 11:15 that it's flying over Blackpool, Victoria. So I'll pop the link below to the details for that, because I know that they're flying at various places all around the country. So they might be coming to a place near you. And this is the rock gardens that we've mentioned in our walk last week when we'd come to the Gynn. Sorry, just need to get on top. Oh, that's because I've always called it Gynn. So I'm trying to re-educate myself into saying Gynn. Shall I do lines? I must say Gynn, I must say Gynn. So, do you know, it's donkey's years since I came in here. So I thought I'd just show you into the entrance, and then we'll go back and finish our video about the Spitfire, because it's spitting and I don't want to get drowned. I'm on a mission to go and pick something up, so I've just popped in for a quick look while I'm here. Oh, it's lovely. What a lovely garden. Lovely space. Yeah, so that's the gardens. We'll come back on a better day one day and see what there is. I can see Crazy Golf, Dubry-Doo there. I used to love gardens like this that sort of went up and down and round paths. And this is another place that I don't think you perhaps ought to come on a dim evening. And while we're here, I'll just correct my other faux pas from the other day as well. This, of course, on my left at the other side of the Gynn pub is, of course, Dixon Road, not Dickinson Road. I'm mildly dyslexic, so I tend to get some things sort of mixed up. I get similars mixed up, like left and right and that kind of stuff. So this is it, looking at it from Walbreck Hill Road end. And we'll pop round to the front now and get you a nice shot of it from the front. So I've walked round the roundabout and we're at the front side of it now. So I'm stood on the traffic island between the promenade and the roundabout as you head towards Blackpool. So this is the view of it from this side. While there aren't any cars, we'll just cross over the road and I'll just show you around this corner here. So there you are, that's the view of the new illuminations display for this year. So don't forget, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and then you'll get updates and alerts when we publish new videos, because we've got lots of new videos to come. And don't forget to sign up for your weekly email newsletter as well, because that's a mine of information. And currently we're trying to revive our events calendar, which has always had thousands and thousands and thousands of things on it, but obviously can't stop because of coronavirus. So from a very busy, breezy and slightly rainy Gynn Roundabout, we will bid you a good day. You have a lovely time now. Bye.